So this is a screen recording on, so this is a lesson on how to create, edit and publish a screen recording. The lesson demonstrates how to create a screen recording on a PC and publish it on YouTube. You'll be able to create a video recording of anything on your computer screen, add a voice over text and images of your work, portfolio or client project to demonstrate or market your skills and knowledge to an online audience. The training outline is lesson 1. We're going to create a screen recording with CamStudio, which is a free open source screen recording program available for PCs. Lesson 2, we're going to edit the screen recording with Windows Live Movie Maker. And in lesson 3, we're going to publish the screen recording to YouTube. So first of all, we're going to download and install CamStudio. Then we can create a folder to save your recordings to. We're going to choose what you want to record. So this can be a PowerPoint presentation, a PDF file, or a description of your website or Facebook page. We're going to set up the mouse cursor highlight for improved visual guide so the viewer can follow the mouse position on the screen. We can increase the size of your text for better visibility before the movie is compressed and uploaded. And we're going to decide if you want to record voice or musical instrument or sounds, and if so, what microphone are you using. So lesson 1, CamStudio. Visit http://www.camstudio.org. Scroll down and click the download button to download CamStudio to your computer. Select save and then run to install the program. To launch CamStudio, double click the CamStudio icon and you'll see the CamStudio control panel. These are the basic CamStudio control panel functions: record, pause and stop. In order to record a fixed region or a certain selection of the screen, you can choose select region or fixed region, or to record the entire screen size like I'm doing here, you can just select full screen. To set up your mouse cursor options, select Options, Cursor Options, so you can add a highlight shape to your mouse cursor so the viewers can follow your mouse as it moves on the screen. So in your cursor options, look in Cursor Highlight and select Highlight Cursor checkbox. You can select a shape, circle, ellipse, square or rectangular shape. In the shape drop-down menu, you can also choose a color by clicking the color button and selecting a color from the color palette. For audio recording, you can select Options, Record Audio from Microphone. To choose which microphone to record from, select Audio Options for microphone, and then in the Audio Options for Microphone section, you'll see your microphone appearing in the Audio Capture Device drop-down menu. So select the microphone you want to use and then select OK to save the settings. To minimize the program when you start recording, because you don't want to have CamStudio's recording box remaining on the screen, especially if you're doing a full screen recording, you can select Options, Program Options, Minimize Program on Start Recording. It's also advisable to choose Save Settings on Exit, because when you close CamStudio without selecting this, the program will just close and your recording will be lost. So you select Minimize Program on Start Recording to hide the control panel during recording. select Save Settings on Exit to save the settings when you close the program. So the next recording will use the same settings. To choose a folder in which you want to save your screen recordings so that you remember where you saved them to, select Options, Program Options, Temporary Directory for Recording, User Specified Directory. And here you can search for a folder to save your recordings to. When you're ready to start recording, click the red record button to start the screen recording. The CamStudio panel disappears from the screen and is located in the bottom right of your Windows taskbar. So if you want to stop your recording or pause, you go to your bottom right Windows taskbar, click on the hidden icons arrow, and you'll see CamStudio pops up. Right click on the CamStudio icon and press stop to stop the recording. This will pop up a window giving you the options to save the AVI file. So enter a file name and press save. So lesson 1 wrap up. You're now ready to edit your screen recording in Windows Movie Maker. So to summarize, we've installed CamStudio, we've made a save folder, we've added a highlight to the mouse cursor, we've set up a microphone, we've selected what you want to record, we've increased the text size, and we've created a screen recording. So now in lesson 2, we're going to open Windows Live Movie Maker. You're going to add your screen recording to the editing window. We're going to set the start and end points of the movie. We're going to add titles, captions, credits. We're going to insert transitions. We're going to add photos or screenshots, and we're going to save your movie project. So launch Windows Live Movie Maker, and in the big editing section, click here to browse for videos and photos. So click that and it will open a window allowing you to browse your folders to find your screen recording. So select your screen recording and click open. So this will load your screen recording into Movie Maker. The preview of your screen recording appears on the left hand side, and the editing timeline layout appears on the right hand side. Use the timeline bar to set a start point and an end point for your movie. So you just click on the vertical line that you see and you drag that to the left or to the right. Right click and select start point or end point. This will cut away anything that is to the left or to the right of the timeline bar. Select add videos if you want to add photographs or more movies to your project. To set the dimensions of your movie, select project and then widescreen or standard screen. This will create a different shape for your movie if you want cinema effect or TV effect. You can also select animations to go in between your movies or your photos. So you select animations and then just click on an animation box to preview what it looks like until you find the right one. To add titles, you can select Home, Title, to add an opening title to your movie. So this will open a text editing tool and you can edit the text that you want to appear in your opening titles. You can also choose Format and find an animation to add to your titles. To add the credits, go select Home and Credits to add the closing credits to your movie. Once you finish that, you can select File, Save, Movie to save your project. So we've launched Windows Live Movie Maker, you've added your screen recording to the editing window, you've set your start and end points, You added your titles, captions, and credits. We've inserted some transitions, added photos or screenshots, and we've saved the movie project. So lesson 3, YouTube. We're going to connect to the internet. We're going to open Windows Live Movie Maker. We're going to select the movie you want to publish. We're going to select Publish, YouTube. We're going to sign in with Windows Live account or create a free account. We're going to select the recommended movie size to upload. We sign on with our YouTube account. We're going to edit the title, description, tags, category, and permissions, and then publish the movie to YouTube. So first of all, we launch Windows Live Movie Maker. You open the movie project you want to publish, and you select Publish, Movie, YouTube. Windows Live Movie Maker will open options for you to choose the file size of the movie and the display size. It'll give you a recommended setting. It'll also warn you about the limits, and you can refer to YouTube for this. The maximum file size you can upload is 2 gigabytes, or the duration is 15 minutes. So if it exceeds that size, you'll have to choose a different size. You sign on with your Windows Live Movie Maker or your Windows Live account. You sign on with your Windows Live account, or you create a new account, which is for free. This is if you want to upload from within Windows Live Movie Maker. You don't have to upload to YouTube from within Windows Live Movie Maker, but it is a lot easier. So you sign into your account, and then you'll be prompted to sign into your YouTube account. You must enter your title, description, tags, category, and permissions. So your title will be the title of your movie, a description, basic description on what the movie is about. Your tags are your keywords that people use to search to find your movie. Your category, I've chosen science and technology to deal with this particular course. And the permissions, either public or private, if you want people to view it or not. So then you can click Publish, and it will publish the movie to YouTube. So, lesson 3 wrap up. We connected to the internet. We opened Windows Live Movie Maker. We selected the movie you want to publish. Select Publish, YouTube. We signed in with the Windows Live account or created a free account. We selected the recommended movie size. Signed into the YouTube account. Edited the title, description, tags, category, permissions, and published the movie to YouTube. So the summary of the lesson plan is: Lesson 1, we created a screen recording with CamStudio. Lesson 2, we edited the screen recording with Windows Live Movie Maker. And in Lesson 3, we published the screen recording to YouTube. So now we're going to demonstrate how to publish a movie live to YouTube so you can follow the process. And we'll also publish a PDF PowerPoint to the website for the students to download. Thank you very much.